Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts on both Android and iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on a U tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to open YouTube settings. Now, scroll down until you find the time management option and tap on it. On some Android devices, this option may appear in a slightly different position, but you'll still find it inside the YouTube settings menu. Inside the time management section, scroll down until you see Shorts feed limit. Turn this option on. Next, set the Shorts time limit to 0 minutes. This prevents you from watching Shorts without immediately reaching the limit. Once you've saved the setting, go back to the YouTube home screen and refresh the app if needed. You'll notice that when you try to open Shorts, YouTube will display a message saying you've reached your Shorts time limit. You can choose to ignore it or simply return to the home page. And that's it. That's how you can limit or effectively disable YouTube Shorts on both Android and iPhone. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to ClickFix Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy-to-follow tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.